Good morning, all of you. Will be doing the question answers of chapter 4th, Landscape of Soul. The first question is contrast the Chinese view of art with European view with examples. The answer is a Chinese artist takes art as an essence of inner life and spirit. A European artist, on the other hand, tries to create a figurative representation of reality. He or she tries to create an illusion of likeness. He or she wants the viewer to see his or her work with his or her eyes. A Chinese artist wants the viewer to enter his mind and look upon the painting as a landscape of his spirit. The painting of Wu Daozi represents the Chinese view of art. It is not the other beauty of figures that matters. It is the beauty of inner life and spirit which is important. Quentin's drawing, on contrary, represents the Western view of art. It attempts to create an illusion of reality. The second question is explain the concept of San Shui. The answer is, according to the Chinese view of art, landscape is the inner one, a spiritual and conceptual space. The word San Shui, which literally means mountain water, represents the word landscape. Mountain and water together represent two complementary poles of the universe. This also reflects the Taoist view of the universe. The mountain is yang, which reaches vertically towards the heaven. It is stable, warm and dry in the sun. The water is yin. It is horizontal and resting on the earth. It is fluid, moist and cool. It is the receptive feminine aspect of universal energy. Its counterpart yang is active and masculine. A Chinese landscape has yang and yin, and the two elements, the word San Shui means yang, yin, mountain and water. The third question is second question, part 1 is, what do you understand by the terms outsider art and art brut or raw art? The answer is, the concept of art brut or the outsider art or raw art was given by Jean Dubuffet in 1940s. It means the art of those who have no right to be artists as they have received no formal training, yet show talent and artistic insight. The concept of art brut or raw art is of works that are in their raw state. As regards cultural and artistic influences, anything and everything could be material for such a work of art. Nekchand in India has created a paradise of stone and recycled material. He has given it the name of Rock Garden at Chandigarh. The second question of second part of second question is, who was the untutored genius who created a paradise, and what is the nature of his contribution to art? The untutored genius is Nek Chand. He created a paradise at Chandigarh and gave it the name Rock Garden. He made use of stone and recycled material on the little patch of a jungle that he had cleared. It is considered his greatest contribution to outsider art. Nek Chand did not have any formal training in art, but he has unusual talent and insight for art. He has taken this new form of art to dizzying heights. His talent has received universal recognition. Nek Chand says, the biggest reward is walking through the garden and seeing people enjoy my creation. So all of you, please do these question answers in your notebooks. Have a good day.